this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an event and ticketing platform using WooCommerce. Hey everyone, I'm Robin from FooEvents, and if you're not already familiar with FooEvents, it's an event and ticketing platform built specifically for WooCommerce. And what it does is it adds the ability to sell tickets and manage attendees for your events. So in this video, I'm going to show you how FooEvents works, how you can use it to sell tickets both online and in person, as well as how it can be used to manage the check-ins for your attendees at your event. So to get started, you'll need to go to FooEvents.com and get yourself a copy of the FooEvents plugins, and then you'll need a WordPress website with WooCommerce installed. The next step is to install the FooEvents extensions and create a product. So FooEvents essentially takes a standard WooCommerce product and adds additional event and ticketing functionality. When the product is purchased by one of your customers, it'll then also send a ticket to the customer. And the ticket will include the attendees details, the event details, and a unique QR code that we'll use to scan the tickets in at the event. The beauty of FooEvents is that because it works on WooCommerce, it means you can use any WordPress theme that works with WooCommerce. So you won't need to fiddle around with templates to make it look good. FooEvents is compatible with hundreds of other WooCommerce extensions. So you can use your favorite coupons extension, for example, to sell tickets and try and increase sales. So once you've set up your first product, you're more or less ready to start selling. Your customers will be able to view the product on the front end of your site and proceed through the checkout experience. At checkout, you'll be able to capture attendee details, and when the ticket is purchased, it'll be sent to your customer as an HTML ticket. Using the FooEvents PDF Tickets extension, you can also send them a PDF version, which can be easier to print. Now, selling tickets online is only part of the sales process. A lot of attendees might come to your event on the day of your event, and you'll need to sell tickets to them too. For this, you can use the FooEvents POS plugin. It's a point-of-sale extension developed by FooEvents that integrates directly with the event and ticketing functionality offered by FooEvents. This means it uses the same products, same inventory, and the same platform for check-ins. So you can sell tickets both online and in person. When a ticket is sold in person at your event, you can also set the FooEvents POS platform to automatically check that ticket in. So you won't need to send them to the back of the checkout line. Which brings me to the next part. Now we've sold tickets online, we've sold tickets in person. Now we need to manage people coming into the event. And to do this, we need to check in their tickets. There are 3 ways you can do this. Number 1 is using the free FooEvents check-ins apps. They're available on iOS and Android and allow you to scan the barcodes or QR codes on the tickets and check in their attendees. They include various settings and auto check-in options, so you can configure it for lightning fast check-ins at your event. Next, you can use the FooEvents Express check-ins interface. This is essentially a plugin that you install on your site, and it adds an additional admin interface to your WordPress admin area. What's cool about this is you can connect a Bluetooth or wired barcode scanner to your device, and you can scan the tickets using this along with the Express check-ins interface. This is also a very fast and simple way to manage check-ins at your event. Last but not least, you can also edit the ticket in the WordPress admin area. This is not ideal for managing large volumes of check-ins, but it is a very handy tool to change the status of a ticket as well as customize the ticket's details. So now we've sold tickets both online, in person, we've managed check-ins. The next step is to analyze this information. Since FooEvents is a WooCommerce event and ticketing platform, that means all sales do go through WooCommerce, so you can use the standard WooCommerce order analytics. We then also offer our own reports, which allow you to monitor the check-in status for an event and see how many of your attendees have already arrived. You can also export all your attendee information as a CSV file. This is great for importing it into your CRM system or simply importing it into a spreadsheet where you can run your own custom calculations and analyze your data. FooEvents also offers loads of other functionality that we haven't gone through, such as multi-day features, booking functionality, stationery printing, and loads more. So as you can see, setting up a box office with WooCommerce and FooEvents is super straightforward, very efficient, and will ensure your event runs smoothly and that you can maximize your sales. So if you're interested in taking a closer look at FooEvents, head over to FooEvents.com, where you can take a look at one of our demo sites, or you can get in touch with our team if you have any questions by going to our help center and hitting the contact button. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, if you have any questions about what's possible with FooEvents and whether it's a good solution for your particular use case, please also do get in touch.